After personally battling the Winlatorxr black screen crash and trying countless solutions, I finally discovered several working methods, and I am eager to share them with you now. We need to fix Winlatorxr PC emulation, black screen crash permanently, and here's how we address the core problems. First, we tackle graphics drivers. Your computer's display drivers are like the instructions for showing pictures. If these instructions are old or broken, your emulator won't know how to show anything, resulting in a blank display. Making sure these drivers are fresh helps your computer clearly understand the emulator's visual requests. Next, we look at Winlatorxr's own settings. Inside the emulator, there are choices about how it draws graphics. If these choices don't match your computer well, you will only see black. Changing these internal settings helps the emulator find the best way to work with your specific computer parts. Then, we consider clearing old files and reinstalling Winlatorxr. Like any program, Winlatorxr can get confused by old, bad files or a messy installation. Wiping these away and starting fresh ensures the program has a clean slate to run from. Finally, we check your computer's overall health and compatibility. Your Windows system needs to be ready for the emulator. Things like outdated Windows updates or missing basic software can stop Winlatorxr from starting correctly. Making sure your computer is up to date and free from conflicts lets Winlatorxr run smoothly, solving that frustrating black screen.